Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to break jewelry cases, collect the Sapphire Ring, and complete your daily mission in Roblox Wanted. If this guide helps you out, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First, open up your in-game map and select Office Pawn Shop. Head over there, talk to the NPC character and buy a Buzzsaw. Next, open your map again and choose the Oasis City Jewelry location. Once you get there, go inside and look for the case containing the Sapphire Ring. The blue ring you see inside is the Sapphire Ring. Now, equip your Buzzsaw, break this case, and grab the Sapphire Ring. After that, simply break any two other cases so that your daily mission gets completed. After that, come back to Office Pawn Shop again and sell the Sapphire Ring and items. And that's it. This is basically how you complete the daily mission. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.